A dead car battery. It always seems to happen at the absolute worst time, doesn't it? It's frustrating, inconvenient, and can leave you feeling stranded. And when it comes to finding a portable car jump starter, the search can be overwhelming. So many choices, so many promises. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. After testing dozens of models and analyzing thousands of real user reviews, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 portable car jump starters that truly deliver. Check the description below for links and the latest prices. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with number 5, the GOOLOO GP2000. This compact yet powerful device packs 2000 peak power, capable of jump-starting vehicles with engines up to 8.0-liter gas or 6.0-liter diesel. It's perfect for larger vehicles while still being small enough to fit in your glove compartment. It weighs just 1.2 pounds. But it's not just about size. The GP2000 comes with dual USB outputs, letting you charge your phone, tablet, or other devices on the go. And the built-in 400-lumen flashlight? It's a lifesaver, whether you're stuck on a dark roadside or need some extra light for your campsite. Here's something that really sets it apart: the 24-month standby time. Imagine reaching for your jump starter after a year of sitting in your trunk and finding it ready to go. That kind of reliability gives peace of mind, doesn't it? Now, let's talk about the design. The all-metal clamps feel sturdy and secure, while the hardened plastic shell can handle the occasional drop. Because, let's be real, life happens. And with 10 built-in safety features, like overcharge and reverse polarity protection, you can feel confident using this device, even if you're not a car expert. Of course, no product is perfect. The battery indicator can sometimes be misleading, showing full charge even when it's running low. And if you're dealing with extreme cold, the GP2000 might struggle a bit. It's best to store it somewhere warm during winter. Also, while it comes with a carrying case, some users mention it could be sturdier for regular use. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the AstroAI S8. This compact jump starter is designed for vehicles with up to 6.0-liter gas or 3.0-liter diesel engines, delivering an impressive 1500 peak current. Right away, you can see how powerful it is for such a small device. Now, here's something interesting. The Smart Boost mode automatically detects your battery's voltage, making the process easier and safer, even for someone who's never used a jump starter before. And the metal clamps? They're a step above the plastic ones you'll find on many other models, adding that extra level of durability you can count on. One of the things I love about this device is its lightweight design, less than a pound. That makes it perfect for smaller vehicles with limited storage space. But don't let the size fool you. It's packed with 8 safety features, so you can feel confident you're protected against issues like overcharging or short circuits. And let's not forget the 3-mode LED flashlight. Whether it's a roadside emergency or a power outage, this little light can make all the difference. Plus, the interface is super user-friendly. With clear indicators for every function, you don't need to be a tech expert to get it working. Still, the AstroAI S8 stands out for its compact design, ease of use, and solid safety features. It's a great option for smaller vehicles or anyone looking for a lightweight, reliable jump starter. What do you think? Have you tried the AstroAI S8, or do you have another favorite jump starter? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback can really help others make the right decision. At number 3, we have the YaberAuto, a product that truly stands out with its combination of power and versatility. Let's start with its built-in 160 psi air compressor and a whopping 6000 peak power. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire or a completely dead battery, this device has you covered. Now, here's something you'll appreciate: the force start function. It's designed to revive completely dead batteries, a feature that can be a real lifesaver when you're stranded. And the 65-watt fast charging ensures the unit recharges quicker than standard models, saving you valuable time. What makes it even more convenient is the smart digital inflator with preset modes. No more guessing tire pressure. Just set it, and it does the job accurately. And let's talk about the large 3.3-inch display. It provides clear, real-time information, even in dim conditions. It's these thoughtful details that make a difference. Another practical feature, the 600-lumen LED light. Whether it's a roadside emergency or a camping trip, it offers the visibility you need. Plus, the multiple inflation modes make it incredibly versatile. Use it for car tires, bike tires, sports equipment, and more. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few trade-offs to keep in mind. The bulkier size means it takes up more trunk space compared to smaller models. And while the air compressor is undeniably useful, it can be quite loud during operation, a small inconvenience for its functionality. Some users have pointed out that the auto shutoff feature for the inflator isn't always accurate, so you might need to keep an eye on it during use. Additionally, the retractable handle feels a bit flimsy, and extended use of the compressor can cause the unit to heat up noticeably. Taking the number 2 spot, the STANLEY J5C09 stands out as a powerful and reliable tool for handling roadside emergencies. With 1,000 peak amps and an integrated 120 psi air compressor, this professional-grade unit is built to perform when you need it most. Here's something that makes it particularly impressive. The powder-coated metal clamps are designed for durability, and the rotating LED light ensures you have clear visibility, even during nighttime emergencies. It's the kind of feature that makes a stressful situation just a little easier to manage. Unlike lithium-based models, the traditional lead-acid battery in this unit offers dependable performance across a range of temperatures. Whether it's a freezing winter morning or a sweltering summer day, you can count on this to deliver. And you know what's really reassuring? The reverse polarity alarm. It protects you from making potentially dangerous connections. A small but critical detail that gives you peace of mind. Plus, the built-in 12-volt outlet is a game changer for powering various devices, from inflators to small electronics, right from your car. And because it's built to handle repeated jumps without overheating, it's ideal for situations where you're dealing with multiple dead batteries. But let's talk about a few trade-offs. At 18 pounds, this unit is significantly heavier than its lithium counterparts. That weight comes with durability, but it might not be the most portable option. And because it's a lead-acid battery, it requires monthly recharging to maintain peak performance. So consistency is key. Another consideration is the air compressor hose. While it's a great feature, the hose could be longer to make reaching all tires easier. Additionally, the charging time is noticeably longer than modern lithium models, which might feel like a drawback if you're in a hurry. Taking the number 1 spot, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 truly shows why it's the best portable car jump starter out there. With 1,000 amps of power, it's built to handle engines up to 6.0-liter gas or 3.0-liter diesel, delivering consistent and reliable performance every time you need it. What sets this unit apart is its high-discharge lithium technology, ensuring it performs flawlessly in any weather, whether it's freezing cold or scorching hot. And let's talk about safety. The ultra-safe technology, it's incredible. With spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, it eliminates the fear of making a wrong connection, a feature you'll definitely appreciate when you're in a hurry or stressed. The design is another standout feature. The rugged, water-resistant build, rated at IP65, ensures it's ready for action in tough conditions. Rain, snow, or dust, it can handle it all. And at just 2.5 pounds, this jump starter is super compact and easy to carry or store in your car. Now, while it's an amazing product, there are a few things to keep in mind. The USB charging output is limited compared to some newer models. And while the built-in flashlight is useful, it could be brighter for nighttime emergencies. The charging time, at around 3 hours, is slightly longer than some competitors, so you'll need to plan ahead to keep it ready. Another small detail. The clamps could be a bit larger, making it easier to attach to certain battery terminals. And while the overall build quality is excellent, the included storage bag could use some improvement. It's not the most durable option. Some users also mention that the battery level indicators only give approximate readings, which might leave you guessing a bit. That wraps up our list of the top 5 portable car jump starters. Did one of these stand out to you? Or maybe you've had a great experience with another model? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best automotive gear, and check the description for the latest prices.